Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages, you probably should be able to find the screen or power saving mode. For me, it is right over here. So once you see it, you can tap on it, and that's it. It turns the inlay of the battery just like orangish to signify that it is right now enabled. Now Realme is not giving us any kind of information on what the mode actually might do, so I can only guess and give you a couple of things that I can see. So number one, screen refresh rate is lowered to 60. That's number one. That will be probably quite noticeable. And the other thing that might happen, though I have no clue if that is the case, is the Wi-Fi being turned off, Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. And because of that, you might experience delay in delivery of notifications, or just not having them be delivered to you at all as long as you're not using the device. So if you experience something like that, just know that this is the power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, just find the toggle once again, tap on it, and everything will go back to functioning as it did before. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.